That's what I'm talking about. So see, 20 ways to use Dalio dish soap, but then there is no swipe or something. But you see, inside the description they put their website. So this is the 3 ways you can approach the affiliate marketing situation. Pick up the product, physical or digital, okay, and then come over here and look what other people who are selling the same product have the most success with. Are they selling the actual product with the pricing, with the promotion here, or they're providing free content and there is a link associated in the description, or there is a link built inside the post itself. Study this, guys, test and see which one works best for you. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and like this video. Hi guys, in this video over here I'm going to show you how to use the new prompts for Bart AI.